If you're not sure when to use air freight to ship your products from China, let me share with you 3 things to consider before you use air freight. Number 1, urgency. If you've been selling a product and all of a sudden your stock is running out too fast, maybe due to increased demand, you can consider using air freight, especially if you know the customers are still willing to pay the extra price added. You don't want to keep your customers waiting too long because they may lose interest. Number 2, less weight products. When shipping less weight products like jewelry, use air freight. Why? Because shipping fees are very low when dealing with low weight products. So it doesn't make sense using sea freight and waiting for over 2 months before receiving your products. And number 3, perishables. If you ever consider shipping perishables, consider air freight. Perishables get spoiled quickly, so you need a fast shipping method to get them delivered. If you want to master shipping from China as a beginner, watch my full video and the link is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this. Peace. See you in the next one.